Hey, what's going on? Matthew Taman here from LearnJoomlaFast.com, where we teach you how to create professional websites without being a professional coder with Joomla. I am really excited about today's announcement because I've gotten so many emails from a lot of you asking about the site, what's going on, what happened. So what happened is that when I launched the site in 2014, I didn't realize that it was going to get bigger and a lot of people were going to sign up. And over the years, we've helped, literally thousands of entrepreneurs learn how to build websites with Joomla. And with anything, as your site grows, sometimes you have to kind of go back, update some things, redo some things, rebrand, and things like that. So that's what happened. I decided to just shut the site down temporarily because there's so many things needed to do. And as you can see here, everything was redesigned, from the ground up again. So this is one thing that I'm glad that I did. It took a little longer than I wanted to, but it's very, very clean and straight to the point. One thing that I wanted to emphasize with this new site is that you can be able to access it very, very easily. Not too much going on, too confusing. So this is the homepage. I wanted something that's very clean, something that's very fresh, something that just looks, real easy to navigate. And I definitely designed everything, cleaned it up. And let's go over now to, this is the courses page. If you have been following our website for any period of time, you notice that our layout was different. But again, I wanted to create something that was fresh, something that was modern, and to give people a lot more information. So when they come on the site, they know exactly what they're getting. So what we've done now is we have broken down the courses into different sections. Here you have Joomla Core Beginners. So for those that are getting started in Joomla, they just want to learn the core things. We have a section for the core. So that teaches you every single thing you need to learn about Joomla 3. And then we have the Joomla 4 course that is coming up. So this is going to give you a solid foundation if you want to understand Joomla overall. I see so many people that have reached out to me and they just want to have a good grasp. You can't really create an awesome website with Joomla if you don't understand how it really works. So this Joomla Core Beginners gives you a solid starting point that you can be able to take it and run. And then, of course, you have your SP Page Builder, among other page builders that we use to be able to create websites. The video sharing website like YouTube, we get a lot of requests for this one here. People want to learn how to create their own YouTube website. You can get access to that. How to build a custom shopping cart from scratch. Now this here is amazing because it teaches you how to build a basic shopping cart. You can sell a few products. And I created this course because I realized that there are times when people may not want to go through the hassle of having all the different features and a whole bunch of different stuff to build a shopping cart. Sometimes you just got a few products that you want to put out. So that's what this course covers here. And then the sales funnel, this is another powerful course that if you want to be able to sell better, be able to create more attractive offers, this sales funnel course goes through that in extensive detail. So this part of the courses, I just want to show you just a few of the courses, but we have, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos that you can get access to. Okay, so once you log into the back end, I wanted to make the back end very simple and straight to the point. So when you log in, you can be able to get access to this. You can see all the lessons in this particular module. You can access it. You can just click through here to watch, each one. And this are all the modules. So right now we have 7 modules, but the thing about the modules is that we are going to be adding, I'm creating more videos for each module. So these are the core things that you need to grasp if you really want to be successful as a web designer using Joomla. So we'll talk about beginner to pro, what that means. Frameworks, you have to understand frameworks, what they are, how to use them, when to use them, if you should use this one or that one. I cover that extensively in this here. And the sales funnel, once again, a lot more is going to be added on the sales funnel part because I get a ton of questions from people. How do I set up a sales funnel with Joomla? How do I do this? So this here covers that part of it. And then also the outsourcing. Outsourcing is another interesting module because if you want to do this, create websites with Joomla, let's say you want to start a business with it, you have to understand how outsourcing works. And the reason why I decided to go this route and talking about this is because I get so many emails from you guys asking, outsourcing, what do I do? How do I do this? So I wanted to create something that can explain what that is. And then template design. Template design deals with template design, customizations, and tweaking. So there's a lot of fun stuff that you're going to learn in this module. And again, a lot more stuff is added every single month. Tons of new videos are being added to different modules. And then hosting and security. If you want to learn how to secure your website and you have questions about where to host, the companies to choose, this module covers that. And I am going to be uploading a few more videos this month and next month that goes extensively about security and hosting and what to look for. So this is a great starting point, and we're going to have a lot of courses, videos in this module. And then have premium support. If you are doing this as a business, you want to create it for clients, you need to understand how support works. And this course here and this module shows you different ways, about 8 different types of support that you can provide to your clients. So this is a very, very powerful module for those that want to be able to provide better, customer service. And then we have the support forum, which we'll take a look at, and then we have a ticket dashboard. But the goal of it is, once again, I wanted to create a systematic way for you to learn Joomla. Now you can go anywhere else and watch a bunch of different clips here and there, but that's not really a systematic way for you to learn. You don't learn you don't learn that way, because if you get stuck here, then what do? Well, with this site, what I've decided to do is, if you get stuck at any module at any time, you can get all the help and the support that you need in order to keep going. That's what makes this different. So you get access to it, and you are able to get all the support. You can send emails. You can create a ticket, which we're going to take a look here. This section here, these are the videos that we currently have on YouTube, and we are going to be removing those permanently. So as more courses are being added, more videos are being added, we're going to be taking those off and transferring those videos over to our website. Now we'll keep some on YouTube, but not as many as we're going to add. So we're adding a whole lot more on this learnjoomlafast.com here than we're going to have on YouTube. So you see we have a ton of great content. And this is the forum. So if you have questions, just right now, this is brand new. Just published it today. So if you have any questions, any comments, any feedbacks, any suggestion, I wanted to build something that is very simple. So when you come in, you just be able to get access to it. Now, this is not accessible to the general public. This is only accessible to the members that sign up. And then you have your tickets here. If you want to create a ticket, you have a problem, you have a concern, you have an idea, you have whatever it is that you want to create a ticket for, you click on submit, and you can be able to create a ticket and you get a response. You don't have to wait, 5, 6, 7 days or stuff like that to get a response, but you can be able to get a response, pretty quickly. So that's an overview of the entire site. And again, I wanted to build something that is very user-friendly. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I really wanted to make sure that it's easy for you guys to get access to. And when you get to the back end here, this is the where the courses are and all the modules are located. Everything is right there, very intuitive, very easy to get access to. So this is major improvements from what we've had before, and brand new content is being added. As I speak right now, stuff is being uploaded on the back end. But in order for you to get access to that, you would have to become a member. So you don't have any issues once you become a member. Then you have access to this and a whole lot more new stuff that's being added to it.